everyone, my name is Pooja. This video topic name is searching and sorting techniques in a Java. First of all, we have to see the searching techniques in a Java. Searching is the one of the most common action performed in a regular business application. There are some searching techniques like linear search, binary search, quick jump search, interpolation search, exponential search, Java collection API search, Fibonacci search, etc. So first we have to see the linear search. Linear or sequential search is one of the popular, simplest search algorithm in a Java. In a linear search involves sequential search for the elements in the in the given until either elements are the found or not. Means linear search involves the sequential search and search the elements either it will be found or not. If the elements will be found, then it return the position of that element. If the element does not found, then it return the -1. The time complexity of linear search is O in a bracket capital N, and the space complexity is O in a bracket 1. Next is a binary search. Binary search divides the input into the equal part, which is iteration compass the goal of elements with the element in the middle. If the element is found, then the search will be end, else it will be continue looking for the element by dividing and selecting position of an array. Binary search divides the array into the half of each time, and its time complexity is O capital O in a bracket log in a bracket capital N, and the space complexity of binary search is O in a bracket 1. Next is a jump search. This search is similar to the binary search, but instead of jumping both forward and backward, it will be only support for the forward jump search. In a jump search, we jump in the internal squared ahead internal squared until we reach in the element greater than current element of the end of the array. On every jump, the previous step will be recorded. Time complexity of the jump search is O in a bracket squared in a bracket capital N, and the space complexity of jump search is O in a bracket 1. Next is the interpolation search. Interpolation search is used to search the element in the sorted array. This search is partially useful if you know the data is in structure or uniformly distributed. The time complexity of the interpolation search is O in a bracket log n, and the space complexity of interpolation search is O in a bracket 1. Next is the exponential search. In this search we are basically trying to find the complexity smaller than which we have to search element using binary search, and the time complexity of exponential search is O in a bracket log capital N, and the space complexity is O in a bracket 1. Sorting is the process of arranging elements of an array so that they can be placed either ascending or the descending order. There are many sorting techniques like bubble sort, merge sort, bucket sort, counting sort, heap sort, insertion sort, etc. So there are many sorting techniques. Here we have to see the 5 most popular sort techniques in the Java. So first is the merge sort. merge sort is one of the most popular and the flexible sort in the Java. It uses to divide and conquer the approach to sort the element. Means it divides the given list into the two equal part and the itself for the two parts, and then merge that two parts, and it will be merge that two sorted parts. We have to define the merge function to perform the merge sort. Uh, the sublists are divided again and again into the half of the part till the list